I'm recording.
We have man stage! Oh! So what now? Put the camera down and let's fight. This is my special move. That would have hit me in the face. I hit you!
Oh, just to be wondering, this is probably Holly there trying to fight.
What?
I said, if you're wondering, this is Holly there trying to fight. And yeah, I don't really know what they're doing right now. Maybe it's like the chicken run, who knows?
Oh, that's my... That's my move.
Guys, do some funny stuff for once. My God. Sarah, you being a kangaroo for once?
Whoa. Whoa.